How to use Snapchat Lens Plus subscription feature. To use this feature, all you have to do is open the Snapchat application itself on your device. From there, head to your profile icon, which is located on the top left. From there, tap on this Snapchat Plus option, and you should be able to find Lens Plus subscription over here. Go ahead and tap on that option, then tap next. Once you do so and go through your payments, you should be able to access the Snapchat Premium itself. Now from here, you should be able to get exclusive access to the AR lenses, which you can find from your camera icon over here, and you can also access the Lens Plus from this bar over here, and you can also use the Imagine Lens, which will allow you to give prompts to Gen AI to create or generate images, and you can also play Bitmoji games and AI video lenses. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.